Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get started on the Skyline. Stay tuned. Alright guys, first up, I'm going to charge the battery, so let's get it out. So I'm pretty sure I need 10mm tools to get the battery out, which I think is on the desk inside. To get this off. I think I'm actually killing these batteries by not driving them as far. I want to see if it actually cranks over. Yeah, I could see that. Let's charge it up. Alright guys, all the level looks okay. So I'm going to put the battery charger on and we'll come back to it later. So I just had the final call from my insurance company about depositing the payout. They also said that when my renewal comes up, I'll probably have some questions about if it's gotten fixed, and probably have to send some photos in just so they can ensure it properly, that the repairs are done and done properly. Yeah, I'm about to turn the charger on, and that's it for this morning. I've got to paint those drawers again, but keep watching guys. We're going to continue on with the repairs. Alright, it's charging. Give it till this afternoon and see where we're at. Alrighty, so what's next? I'm going to give it a wash. And, probably give it a bit of, this is all rubber, so I'll give it a sand back there, see if we've got any more damage. And then I'll be taking it off and resetting the headlight. And this here actually has kind of kept its shape. Here's obviously pushed in, here's popped out. Your thoughts? Wide body and wheels. We've marked up the wheels, so might paint them, refurbish them because they are crap. Or should I just hunt down another guard because of this as well? If I can get 2 guards in the white that are good, I'll do that. I would like to keep this front bumper though, so we'll get some side indicators. I don't know if I'll go smoked, doesn't really match anything else, but I'll go normal or crystal or whatever, and then to fix all this up. It's after work now. It's about 7:30 p.m. We'll check on the battery, see how we're going. A little bit of amperage. We'll put that meter on and see where we're at. Alrighty, let's see if I can do this. Alright, so I might just take it off and let it sit overnight and see what it drops down to. See you in the morning. Oh, and I picked up some O-rings from Super Cheap. Had a bit of credit there that was about to run out. It's got a pack of all different sizes, metric, so hopefully they fit in there, and I'll test that tomorrow. Maybe Thursday. Mrs. got tomorrow off, so probably not. Alrighty guys, yeah, it's the next day. It's about 9:30 in the morning. Let's test this out. What are we at? 12.75. Let's go put it back in and see if it's got the cold crank to get it started. That's a crack I haven't seen before. I'll actually do this properly this time. Get this perfect. Let's get the battery back in. I got a feeling that this battery isn't the right battery for the car. The battery tray is a lot bigger. Could be rated the same, but yeah, it's all connected. Let's start it up. So, well, started fine. Give it a quick wash, get all this pink writing off it, and explain what I'm going to be doing. Better get this on though. Alrighty, all good. Put the bonnet down and just give it a quick wipe down in the damaged area and obviously the windows where the pink is. Alright, got my bucket. Some Maguire's car wash. Pretty sure this is just like a chalk pen. Maybe not. That's annoying. Better come off the paint. At least I'm giving it a wash. Give it a wash. Wash. Alright, what I'm thinking happened here is it actually hit the bar Rio. You can see, maybe. I think that might be the corner of it. So, let's get a bit rough over here. This is all not too bad repair, but obviously where it's all cracked, going to have to go right back and build it up again. So I'll probably look at getting some more fiberglass as well, guys. That's new. What the hell is that? It's not coming off. Right. A little bit of wax and grease remover. There we go. definitely get it off the bonnet, because I don't think the bonnet needs fixing at all. Might just leave it all on here. That's going to need a sand back anyways. Get it off here. Alrighty, so all the writing's off the windows. I just took that line off the guard, but that doesn't matter anyways. So I'm going to repair the bumper, probably get another guard, get some new side markers. Yeah, I'll get some clear ones. I'll refresh all the wheels, probably just a gloss black. I'm not minding the black on white. I think the light's okay. Might have to make another bracket for it though. And I'll probably repaint the whole car. So, right, so what I need to do is get the Forester going. So I'll start driving this. So I'll bring the Skyline in here and it'll sit here until it's done. So get this going, pick up a couple of benches. I'll pick up a metal bench for here, just a couple of foldable ones, get some supplies for the fiberglass, and can fix the bumper properly, and paint supply, compressor, paint gun. I'll probably pick up another TIG torch as well, so we can get shit done around here. How does that sound, boys? Sound like a good couple of months ahead? Also got baby due in 6 weeks, I think it is. 5 or 6 weeks, depending on when you're watching this. 4th of November, so really want to get the Skyline done. Forester running good. So I'm going to have to seal this up. And power steering, I've got the O-ring, and eventually another gearbox. Yeah, not that much really, but it's okay the way it is. Just need to get rid of the leaking reservoir and the O-ring, and it should be driving fine. And I'll probably fix these up. They're pretty cloudy. Actually, it doesn't really pick it up much on camera by the looks of it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next episode. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the like button if you like this episode. See ya. Bye.